Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you can't add or find friends on Steam. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select View My Wallet. This will take you to your Steam wallet page where you can manage your account funds. Now here's something really important you need to know. Steam actually requires you to spend at least $5 on the platform before you can add friends. This is a security measure Steam has in place to prevent spam and fake accounts from sending friend requests. So if you haven't spent any money on Steam yet, this is likely why you're unable to add friends. To meet this requirement, click on the Add Funds button. Make sure you add at least $5 to your Steam wallet. You can use this money to purchase games, DLC, or any other content on Steam so it's not wasted. Once you've added the funds and made a purchase, you'll be able to send friend requests. Now, if you're having trouble with friends not being able to find you, there's another fix you need to apply. Go back to the upper right corner and click on your username again. This time, select View My Profile from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your Steam profile page where you can customize various settings. On your profile page, look for the right panel and click on Edit Profile. This opens up your profile customization options. In the left panel, you'll see several menu items. Click on Privacy Settings. This section controls who can see different aspects of your Steam profile and activity. Keep in mind that your friend must also adjust these same settings on their account for you both to be able to find and add each other. In the privacy settings, look for My Profile. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select Public. This makes your entire profile visible to everyone on Steam, which is necessary for friends to find you. Next, look for Game Details. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select Public. This allows others to see what games you own and play, which helps with friend discovery and matchmaking. Finally, look for Friend List. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select Public. This setting allows people to see who you're friends with and makes it easier for mutual friends to connect. After you've adjusted all these privacy settings and ensured you've spent at least $5 on Steam, you should now be able to add and find friends without any issues. Your profile will be fully visible and Steam will recognize your account as legitimate. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.